If you're looking to earn a little extra cash online, you might have tried or heard of Mypoints. It's a rewards site where you earn points for taking surveys, shopping online, watching videos, or trying apps. You can then redeem those points for gift cards or PayPal cash. Yes, Mypoints is legit. It's been around for years and is owned by a bigger company, so it's not some shady app that disappears after you sign up. But here's the real talk. You won't get rich. Most people say earnings are slow, and you'll need patience to rack up enough points for anything worth having. Surveys pay just a few cents to a couple bucks each, and shopping offers sometimes feel more like ads than real deals. So how much can you earn? Maybe $5 to $20 a month, if you're active. Not life-changing money, but a nice bonus if you enjoy doing surveys. Let me know how much you've earned with Mypoints. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.